Hey y'all, welcome back. We're G3 car review, and I'm Allie.
And I'm G. Cool,
Yeah.
cool. So, we got a car for you today. What kind of car we got?
And this is a car I've never heard of, but I've seen it a bunch of movies. The 1983 Callaway Turbo Scirrico.
That's right, Turbo. You did it.
I did it.
So good.
I was gonna say Scirrico, and I was like,
So I didn't even have to send you to English class or anything like that. Oh, that's so easy.
I
so
found
good.
it on my syllables. I did it.
Yay! So, this, we might as well show you what the car is before we get to talking more about the car. Take a look, right there. Callaway is a what?
It is a
Tuner.
tuner car. Oh yeah, I just learned about that. Tuner.
Callaway, the person himself is a tuner.
Yes.
What he
I think
does,
it's gonna make it better.
since she does not have deep pockets,
No, not yet.
I do.
Yeah,
not
yeah.
yet.
Not yet. That's the
So, Callaway reaches down inside your deep pockets and grabs out thousands of dollars to tune this car up. More turbos, more horsepower, all this stuff.
Mo. You give me mo, I give you mo.
I like that. That's cool. Cool. So, since now you know what Callaway does, because Allie just got to explain it to you. So, we're into this car now.
Yeah.
It's like, think about it. The age of the person that's going to be buying this car is young.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So they're not going to be your Cadillac buyers or anything like that. They're old,
It's
70.
a startup. It's the basic one. You got
Right. Go to college.
Yeah.
Go to college car, and you want to be sporty in a sporty looking car right here, because it has the Callaway in it, and mom and daddy's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, he's good.
This is the compromise car.
We'll spend the money.
Yeah.
Yep, we'll do it.
We'll keep it going. Let's keep this. No, we're not buying you a new car.
Yeah.
I've heard that too many times.
Oh, have you?
Oh man.
So this car was built in Connecticut and not in Germany, because Volkswagen, the cars are built in Germany, in Zuffenhausen, because Volkswagen, which Allie does not know, owns Porsche.
Really?
Yes.
See, I love Volkswagen. I think they're so cute.
The
But
bug?
mine
The
was-
bug?
The bug.
Bug's
I almost
gone.
had a bug. I know.
They're gone.
I had a retro bug. I was gonna paint it purple. I was gonna have the lights and the furriness and all on the dice and on the thing. Yes, all of
A lot of sports cars have dice hanging from the mirror.
Yeah. It's a signature touch.
So this special car could only be bought in New York and New Jersey or Connecticut. And why is that?
Why was that?
Basically, the car was a pumped up Volkswagen
Okay.
for
The guys who didn't have a lot of money
bingo.
for the nice cars. Those are the scrubs. I ain't got no time for scrubs.
Oh, I need a snack. I need cheese.
Yes.
Bro. I need a toast.
Oh, he's slacking.
I'll switch to
Oh,
China
he's switching up on me.
Yay!
I'm just gonna get all wine drunk over here and he's drinking this.
Here we go.
What are we toasting to this time?
We're toasting to the Callaway Scirrico that I've never even heard of before.
I know, right? It's coming out. We're
it's-
gonna make it known.
It's all in the alley right here. Right
Yep.
here. She's doing it. She's
Yep.
doing it.
Watch, I'll be pulling it up. And
She's gonna become a professional
Yes.
car reviewer here real quick.
Stay
She's
there.
on the verge right now.
Yes, sir.
That's
Cheers.
right.
Thank you. Don't underestimate me.
Ooh, that was good. That was
Yep.
good. So Reeves Callaway.
Not Keanu Reeves. Reeves Callaway.
That was so good. Click.
I just heard that. I was like, Keanu, where are you?
Where are you, dude?
How are you? You see my car?
So, Reeves Callaway satisfied the EPA with all aftermarket manufactured parts. What that means is, the aftermarket parts mean you can go buy at anywhere those parts.
Yeah. It's not like,
that's good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not
It's
hard
not
to get.
special.
Yeah.
Like a Bugatti, that's
Yeah.
special parts. Expensive
Yeah,
parts.
exactly. Yeah.
A Bugatti has 12 radiators on the car. 12.
See, that's looks That's wild.
To do a brake job on Bugatti, $75,000 to do a brake job on a Bugatti.
I'm pretty sure I'd be like,
oh, look at that. We got new tops on. Look
yes.
at this. Oh.
Yeah, switch it up a little bit.
That's right. So we still got the 83 Callaway Turbo Scirrico we're talking about right here. And it's like, you know, the aftermarket parts that you can buy for the Callaway Scirrico, that's okay. You can buy those parts anywhere. So
it made it easy for you, you know, keep it going a little bit longer.
Exactly. So the turbo had 8 pounds of boost to the turbo. So there's no tweaking knobs or anything like that to boost it up even more. Now, if you had a $500,000 car, exotic car, and had these little knobs and tweaking them and all, you could do the boost up like that.
Yeah, I feel like that's a boss move.
Toast. What are you toast?
We're toasting the boost.
Toasting the boost. That's it. Now, so the turbo kept the same 28 miles to the gallon as a stock Scirrico. Scirrico sounds like a German name with a Italian name.
I thought it was like a hard wine or something. Scirrico.
Well,
I don't think like a vodka or something. Honestly, a Scirrico.
It
Can I get a Scirrico, please?
That's it. Scirrico on the rocks.
Scirrico
on the rocks.
Scirrico this car this way.
So now, what's the price on this car?
$17,000. I would spend $17,000 for it to last a lifetime, for a long time.
Yeah.
No aftermarket price.
That's a college car.
Yeah.
You know, parents buy the kids.
It's like a college car to my kid's first college car.
Oh, really?
You know? That's one of those hand-me-down cars.
Hand-me-down.
It's alright, they have the parts, trust me. They got the parts.
So, 105 cubic inches, small engine. I mean, it's tiny, small. I'll even show you the engine with the wires going all over the top of it. It looked like a spaghetti going on in there. I don't know what they did.
This is spaghetti.
That's from the dealership.
This is spaghetti, honestly.
Yeah, look at all the wires going everywhere.
It's bad electricity work.
That's not good. That's not good.
Electrician.
So, how much does this car weigh?
Weighs 2,300 pounds. 2,300.
I like it.
That's
You're financially in there. That's good.
Yeah.
115 horsepower, small horsepower. With Callaway, it's like, what kind of horsepower did it start out with at first before Callaway got a hold of it? God,
that makes sense, yeah.
115 horsepower is just small. But that's okay. Hey, it was a marketing deal with Callaway to put a turbo in there.
Yeah.
You know? So, top speed was what?
He's just showing himself like, this is me, Callaway. Here's your horsepower. Here's your escort. Top speed is 126. So I feel like that's a safe fast. I would do a 126.
Yeah, that's fast.
Yeah.
That's like my Shelby GT500. I think I did 120 one day.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not
that's back road. That's back roads.
Yeah. Yeah. See that?
Roads,
I've seen. Yeah. Yeah.
You
wouldn't even expect it from the car though. That's the thing.
Exactly. That's another car going by the wayside, and I am G, and this is
Allie.
And subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna jump through this camera and jump over there, and no, I'm not gonna.
We ain't gonna do all that, but
no.
We do notice when y'all aren't.
Yeah, that's right. We notice. Allie notices.
I notice everything.
Because I tell you what, if you want to tell her something, call her tonight at what? BR
549.
Bingo. And she's going to be up till 2 a.m. tonight. Call her.
Maybe 2 a.m. No, I'm just kidding. I'll be up till then. I don't sleep.
I like that. She got all the answers for you. She does. She really does.
Man. I'm like the genie in the bottle.
Ooh. Here we go. I tell you what, this is another car going by the wayside. Subscribe now.
Share,
subscribe.
like, do it all. Hit all them buttons.
You got buttons all over you?
I have buttons on. You don't push my buttons. You're pushing my buttons. You're pushing the wrong buttons.
Wrong button. That's
the wrong button. There's right buttons that says hit, like, subscribe. That's it. And we're good. And then your buttons on your phone to call me at 24.
See? she does. She's the genie right there. Genie in the bottle right there. That's it. All right, what we're fixing to do now.
We're out of here.